Hello friends, welcome back to a new video from the Credit Card and Travel Hacks channel. मेरा नाम है यश जैन and I make videos on credit cards in India. So since I make videos on credit card, I thought it's just the right thing to get you an experience of the American Express Centurion Lounge, which is located on the Terminal 2 of Mumbai Airport. And this is the domestic Centurion lounge that I'm talking about, guys. Trust me, it's a very small video, but don't skip any of it. You will love the small experience that I'm going to show you guys. और अगर कंटेंट पसंद आया so please give me a subscribe. 70% of my viewers are not subscribed yet, so guys कर लो यार subscribe. So guys, अगर मैं इसके लोकेशन की बात करूँ तो as you can see इधर पहले जो बर्गर किंग था टर्मिनल 2 पे which is shut right now for operations, उसके exact सामने as you can see is the amex American Express लिखा हुआ lounge है. This is how the entry looks like, guys. This is the entry to the lounge, guys. To the left is for the normal card members and to the right is for the platinum and the Centurion card holders. So guys, this is the normal section for the normal American Express card holders. As you can see, it's 5 a.m. in the morning and it's quite empty. In fact, there is no one in this part of the lounge, but since we are a platinum charge card holder, this is not where we are supposed to go. We are supposed to go to the other side of this, which is here. Welcome to the Centurion Lounge, guys. The menu on display right now. The best part, guys, so this is the only domestic lounge in India which serves alcohol, and look at the brands. Guys, as you can see, there's ample of space in the lounge here. Not too many people. Social distancing is taken care of by keeping this. Don't sit here. And since it's 5 a.m. in the morning, there's absolutely no one, just apart from one person. So this is the first dish that has come. Idli sambar. Got some cut fruits and kanda poha. Awaiting our coffees right now. Next dish on the table is the hot chocolate. Got some freshly made uttapams here. There are 2-3 things that I couldn't mention in the video because I was surrounded with people, guys. So जो alcohol है, domestic lounge में कोई भी free alcohol serve नहीं करता इंडिया में, but amex के Centurion lounge में जो कि platinum charge card holders के लिए है और black card holders के लिए है, उनके लिए दारू इस लाउंज में जो भी आपने देखा है is absolutely free of cost, guys. But since it was 5 a.m. I don't think it would have been right on my part to order something and show it to you guys, because वो waste हो जाता है and I wouldn't have drank it at 5 a.m. in the morning. Apart from that, guys, the best part about this lounge is उन लोग आपको freshly made food देते हैं. Like अगर आप order करेंगे ना तो normal लाउंज में बुफेज होते हैं और 1 या 2 डिश ही सिर्फ लाइव काउंटर्स पे बनती है, बट इस लाउंज में मैंने जितना भी ऑर्डर किया था मुझे सब कुछ फ्रेशली मेड मिला. इफ़ आई ऑर्डर्ड फॉर अ हॉट चॉकलेट वो भी उन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया. आई ऑर्डर्ड फॉर कॉफ़ी वो भी उन्होंने मुझे प्रोवाइड किया. एंड द एक्सपीरियंस इटसेल्फ वाज सो नाइस. और मज़े की बात यह है, गाइज, अगर इफ़ यू आर इनटू ड्रिंकिंग गुड अल्कोहल देन एज यू मस्ट हैव सीन द ब्रांड्स दैट दे सर्व देयर, like Shiva's 18, that is such an expensive brand. Like उसका एक 60 ml peg is normally worth 3,000 rupees in normal 5-star or even at any lounge access in airports. So guys, आप देख रहे हो the value that American Express gives its customer is beyond anything, guys. So with that said, guys, I'm going to end this video today. और अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो give me a like and subscribe. and stay tuned for some more exciting videos coming your way, guys. Until then, see you soon.